So friends, here in this video I will be making a heater out of this old iron. I have removed the outer cover and left with this heating surface. Let's see if it is working or not. I will connect this with the switch wire. Ensure if there is current leakage. Well, it's safe to touch and it's getting hot with time. And now I will use this acrylic sheet to make a platform. Just remove this paper. The other side will be as it is, we don't need to remove it. And now we have to fix this heater on this sheet. For that we have to drill some holes. I will make these 3 holes on the sheet. But before that I will mark where we have to drill the holes. For that I am using these small screws. Use proper size nut so that it don't get apart. Now I will apply colors on all these 3 screws to mark on this sheet. It's quite easy, just put it on the place and we got 3 marks. And now drill the holes in all these marks. Here we got these 3 holes, and now I will enlarge these holes to pass our screws. Okay, now we can pass these screws. Okay, the holes are at the perfect place. Okay, now for front I will put something to manage the level. Well, it looks good, and now it's time to fix this fan. I'm having this cooling fan along with this long pipe to carry the airflow to the required place. And now we need to fix the size, I mean the distance from the heater. Before that I have to remove the fan Okay, this fan will be fixed over here about almost 2 centimeter high from the heater. This way. We have to drill a hole to fix these stands. Before that, I will mark on the place. Now we can screw this fan on its position. And in the same way I will place this another rod. And now I'll put this hood. If it's required, then only put this hood. Otherwise, you can use the fan directly. Okay, now it's almost ready to use. But before that I will place something to this exhaust, and also this pipe is quite flexible, so that I'm going to insert this string inside. Okay, now it looks good. And now I am using this plastic bottle for the exhaust to spray the air. It's quite loose, so I will use along with this cape. Make a hole to pass the air, and we will put this Teflon tape to provide a good resistance, the better grip. Okay, here we go. And now I will put the switch, and it's ready to work. and better to use some heat resistant wire in the heating coil. Sometimes the wires get melt and even sometimes get short, so better use a good quality wire. Okay, here we go. And they are flowing. It takes a while to give a proper heating. Here we have flipped the fan to blow the air outside. Here you can see the airflow. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.